Hello everyone, welcome to Vani's channel. Today I will be showing you how to prepare a classic sweet dessert, the custard. To begin off with the ingredients, we have some fruits. You could add pineapples and cherries if you wanted to. And we have a glass of water, half cup of sugar, quarter cup of custard powder, half glass of milk to mix with custard powder, and another 1.5 glass of milk to be boiled and later be mixed. First off, let's start boiling water along with 1.5 glass of milk. While this is getting boiled, let us mix the quarter cup of custard powder with half glass of milk. We then stir this to make sure it's fine and clear without any particles afloat. Moving back to the stove, the milk is now boiled. Let's then add the custard mix. Stir well until the entire liquid is thick. We will also add the half cup of sugar and mix that thoroughly as well. Switch off the stove and leave it open for 10 minutes so that it's cooled down for us to transfer it into a bowl. Put the bowl into the fridge and let it sit there for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's cut the fruits. Later on, add the fruits to the chilled custard. Our yummy custard is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.